This is the MachPendant app for the Apple iPad. If you own an iPad and use Mach3 CNC software, then you really owe it to yourself to get this app. It sells for only $10 and it will give you wireless control of your CNC machine right at the machine. Going back and forth between your machine and your computer is a pain. This app allows you to adjust, zero your axes, and run a G-code program while you are close to your machine so you can see what is happening. The app requires that you install a simple applet into your Mach3 folder. With the app installed in your iPad, you're ready to use the app. Once that's done, you can drive each axis individually. This simple interface has push buttons. You can go back and forth with the X-axis, forward and back with the Y-axis, and up and down with your Z-axis. You can also do this in step mode. You just press step, set the increments there, in this case 1/10 of an inch. Press the button. There's a 1/10 of an inch move to the left, to the right, forward, back, and up and down on your Z-axis. So you can start and stop the running of a G-code program remotely. We have cycle start, stop, feed, hold, and reset controls right here. It has a digital readout which matches the display on your computer that shows the position of each axis. You can zero each axis. Just press the button here. There's 0, 0, 0 all the way across. It also has macros, so you can program in whatever macro program you want. You can copy this from existing buttons in your screen set. I have one set up here to probe the Z height. Just press that button. It will run down until it contacts the little copper-clad printed circuit board touchpad that I have. It backs off 1/4 of an inch. Now the 0 is centered. I also made up this little fixture. If you can see down inside there, there are 2 crosshairs scribed into a piece of plexiglass and an aluminum tube that's centered on it. So I can position that little hole down in there directly over a point where I want to center my machine, run the cutting bit down inside this aluminum tube, and with this alligator clip connected to my touchpad connection, I can press this center on hole macro, and the router bit will run back and forth, side to side and forward and back, and find the exact center position over that hole. So this is truly a great little app. It works dependably, it works wirelessly. You can also add an external webcam, and in this window up here it will give you a visual display of the machine running. And so you can monitor your machine remotely on the same iPad app. Check out this great app at the developer's website. It's at www.machpendant.com.